Over the years, doing business was extremely difficult. Transactions were manually done and always time-consuming. But the 21st century came with a massive wave of blockchain technology, robotics, expert systems, and data science. With these, businesses started operating at their peak. However, the fintech industry isn't yet entirely complete, as there are some loopholes that need to be filled. SafeTrust Innovations is here to bring fintech solutions and the latest technological ways of creating value within the sphere of finance. SafeTrust Innovation has launched a bot automated expert system that helps users execute trades based on accurate and predictive trading patterns and trends in the forex and cryptocurrency markets. With SafeTrust Innovations, you can access multiple digital assets across the market, learn forex trading, and effortlessly trade with our expert systems and trading bots. SafeTrust Innovations' vision is more than fintech trends, but the future of fintech solutions. Choosing SafeTrust Innovations opens you to the latest fintech opportunities and communities to leverage, as we constantly help you get the best of tech innovations in the fintech industry. Join us as we rise above the current declines in the financial market.